The man who connected Ecuador was burned alive by the people he united. It's 1906, Quito, Ecuador. Liberal President Eloy Alfaro transforms a backward nation with bold reforms. He separates church and state, builds schools, and grants women rights. His greatest dream is an impossible railway through the Andes Mountains. Engineers say it can't be done. The terrain is too steep, the cost too high. Alfaro pushes forward anyway. Track by track, the railway connects coast to mountains. For the first time, Ecuador becomes one country. But conservative forces mobilize using his own transportation network. They march on the capital and seize power. Alfaro is imprisoned, then dragged through Quito's streets by angry mobs and set on fire. The visionary who built modern Ecuador was Eloy Alfaro.